see the amazing Danao's journey and the progress of Danao, because did you know?
Hey guys! Welcome to Danao City. Po tayo sa Sands. Dito po tayo nagpa-drop katabi ng Metro Gaisano and Jollibee. For today's video, manonood na naman tayo ng Christmas tree and village lighting. Diri na po tayo magsamok-samok sa Danao. And we are here at Danao City Church, Santo Tomas de Villanueva Parish Church. At katabi lang po ng church ang Danao Park. At merong food market dito. Marami pong mga street foods na pwede po nating mapagpipilian. Kapag nagawi po kayo dito guys, punta kayo dito. Dadaan lang po tayo dito papuntang boardwalk kung saan gaganapin yung Christmas tree and village lighting. At sana'y samahan niyo po ako hanggang sa dulo ng video na to. At sabay-sabay po nating panoorin ang Christmas tree and village lighting dito sa Danao City, Cebu. At nandito na nga po tayo sa boardwalk. At habang maliwanag pa, mag-ikot-ikot muna tayo dahil 6 PM pa naman po mag-start yung program. Madilim. Ayun, may bilin dito. So, ito yung kanilang Christmas tree. So, ayun na nga at umambon. Sana naman hindi lalakas. Hindi umulan, no? Pero wag kayong mag-alala. There is rainbow after the rain. Danao City is a second-class component city in the province of Cebu. Distance from Cebu City is 48.8 kilometers. Estimated travel time is 2 hours and 6 minutes via Central Nautical Highway. Time check is 6 PM. Medyo madilim na nga guys.
together with your families and loved ones. Enjoy everybody.
Ang nabiting giniog siya nato mga danaw ano, no? And now for some amazing talent, we will not keep you in waiting.
I am very much excited also, Richie. Are you?
Yes, very much. Let's give a welcome to a Down One Pride, to a very famous personality, DJ Dorana!
Of course, this is the night, and the start pa lang tayo, it's very much nice to be here. And we are celebrating not just the holidays, but also a huge milestone for our city, the amazing Danao's journey and the progress of Danao. Because, did you know that from third class city, we are now second class city? Wow! From
That's
being
a lot.
top one most improved component
Yes.
city. Grabe ka Danao. Wala ko yung kasi.
Di kita kasaga.
Literal guys, literal nga dili magpalupig ang Danao City. So tara na at ikutin natin ang Look at that giant Christmas tree with the Belen. So, unsa pay gihuwat ninyo mga sugboanon soroy na diri sa Danao City. May this Christmas brings hope, joy, love, and peace to everyone. Kung yung Lapu-Lapu City merong food park sa Upon, ang Danao City naman guys ay merong kusina sa Danao. Tara na at samahan nyo akong ikutin ang kusina sa Danao. Dito sa kusina sa Danao, marami din tayong mapagpipilian. Different cuisine or different variety of foods. At nasa labas na po tayo ng boardwalk. At ito po yung entrance. Kanina na dinaanan natin. Ganito naman ang park ng Danau City sa gabi. And this is the face of Danau City at night. Nasa Central Nautical Highway lang po tayo. At ito naman ang Danau Church sa gabi. And of course, may Jollibee din dito. Ayan, merry din ang kanilang Christmas lights. Pabunggahay po ang mga Christmas lights sa Jollibee diri sa Cebu. And across Jollibee, Danau City, ang napakagandang fountain, musical fountain ng Danau City. Hanggang dito na muna ang ating video for today. And I hope nag-enjoy po kayo sa Christmas tree and village lighting dito sa Danau City. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na po kayo. And don't forget to click the bell icon para ma-update kayo sa mga bago kong upload. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and share this video to your family and friends. Hanggang sa muli, much love from Ate Mira Vlogs. Merry Christmas everyone. Salamat sa panonood at maraming salamat din po sa hindi pag-skip ng ads.